Hello everyone at my workshop. After remodeling, I suppose almost everything is done. The most important things are done. So I'm very happy and everything went very good, even much better than I thought. I made much more work than I expected because I made some job here inside and some jobs on the outside, and my workshop looks much better now, and sound sound here is, I think, different, totally different. I have more space, so I suppose it's because of that. So this is my workshop. I will take the camera and I will show you how it looks from every corner now, and I will tell some few words about this, what I have done here. So please wait. And here I am, and my workshop looks like that. Around a view from the center. So as you see, I have a bit of space now to move here and work here. This is my main workbench, over 4 meters length. So it's a lot of space to work and make woodworking stuff. So let's start from the beginning. From the beginning, I have a shelf with my clamps, paints in spray, glues, my chainsaw, and some pieces of wood I have here for, yes, a distancer or something like that, which are ready, just hidden here. I can choose here. Here are letters from you, all letters I received from you, from the whole world, and I still have them, and sometimes I'm reading them if I have a few minutes break. My clamps, my necessary tools I need to under my hand, screwdrivers and all keys and bits for worm screws and knives and tools for chucks, for my lathe, chisels, my logo I received from my friend from USA. So my steady rest and paints are behind my steady rest, one steady rest. And here is my lamp I made 3 years ago. I have taken it off. I have found it because it was hidden here, and and it's still working. But it's not so beautiful now because the resin changed the color from transparent to yellow with peacock's features, but it works and looks nice, so it will be a good decoration for my workshop. Behind me is my lathe. I decided to stand my lathe here instead of inserting this in the center of the workshop, because it could take too much place, and it would not be so work would not be so pleasant and easy for me. And so let's check the lathe, because I didn't turn the lathe from the beginning of my work. So everything lights. Let's start it. It's spinning, it's working. It's the most important. I can start my work very soon, very soon. I hope tomorrow I will start turning anything. So the lathe is standing here. Here is my shelf with camera stand, holders, and with finishers and something for sanding. Whole sanding stuff is in the boxes, so it will not be spreading the dust around the workshop. It will be covered, and I will not lose anything. Here is my meter saw. Meter saw is on the shelf, on the stand, which is the most important. Is portable. Everything is on the wheels, so I can take it everything with me and can I can take it off aside and I can start turning. It will not be disturbing me too much. So it is this. I will show you something what I made from the pipes, plastic pipes. From the plastic pipes I made a stand shelf for exotic wood, small boards which were around and was laying everywhere, and I could lost something, but it's not so. But it is, and it is expensive wood, so every loss of every piece is expensive also for me. So I will take the meter saw aside on place with one hand. It's not so easy, so I will do it this later. Here are my doors, new doors. I made new doors myself, almost myself, because I remodeled old doors, cut it, split it, join it, and everything what you can imagine we can do with wood. I made on these doors. I can't believe it. It looks like that. The red color is a little too strong, but on the can was totally different color, so don't believe the colors which are on the can. Okay, my leather is here, my lamps. One lamp stops lightning a few days ago. I don't know what happened, maybe it just died, but maybe I will fix it. Here is my bandsaw. Bandsaw is standing here in this way because sometimes I'm cutting very long pieces, like I was cutting straps to these doors, cutting them. I was using a bandsaw, and sometimes I need something to cut something what is wide. So I can cut the one board, longer board here from one side. So I think it is the best place for my bandsaw. Here I have my planer thicknesser. It's on the shelf, which is also portable. Everything what is on the shelves is portable, so I can easily take aside and work it here on the outside, everywhere where I want. Here I have some cubes, pallet cubes, and my vacuum cleaner here. In the corner I have my table saw. Table saw is here, and for now it's standing here. I don't know, maybe I will change a bit this. I don't know, maybe this will be later. And my walnut bowls I started drying and made a row turning on it. Here are under boards here and here, and those boards, those blanks just cracked like this one, or wobbled a lot. You see the big crack is here, and it's still heavy and not dried yet, so it is a disaster a bit for me. Here is my main place, main wall with stickers from you. And behind this shelf, I need to organize this shelf, but behind this shelf I have all type of sleds for my bandsaw, for table saw, wedgie sleds. I don't know, do you see this correctly? Okay. Here is my drill stand, and not drill stand, my drill with a shelf, and here I have all type of bits, drill bits, and everything what I need for drilling. And my power drills also are there, and some jigsaws and Dremels and everything. Something small power tools, just the power tools are on the top. Of course everything is in the boxes to prevent before the dust, so it must be like that. Here I have also stuff for my sharpening system and for grinder. I have here, today I checked this, and sharpened my all gouges, chisels on this, so it's a very good place for it. Everything is measured properly, and I think it will serve me long time. Here I will turn off the light because I have a light here. I have a light here, as you see. When I will be working here, I don't need a light on the top, only just this light. I have my jaws for chucks, my tool stands, tool rests, and here is a hair saw, my wife hair saw. She is using usually it. Maybe I will use this for my project too, maybe someday, but I need to figure out something what to do with it. And here I have my cleats. Cleats are needs to be organized because everything is here, all types of screws and everything is mixed. I need to check this once again and make it clear. Here is my shelf with old shelf. I left it with stuff which need to be hidden before the dust, and everything is here. I need later, not too often, but sometimes, uh, my workshop rules in Polish language. Are you able to read this? I know it will not be so easy, even for me sometimes. So everything is here, and as I said, my shelf, my workbench, everything looks like that. I will turn it on, turn it off. This. So guys, this is my workshop. As you see, once again from the top. And what is the best I wanted to do? I showed you all stuff, my old stuff, but it was not the main idea with this remodeling. The main idea was to make the walls straight. I can put my shelves on it and um, avoid dust at my workshop. Much easier to clean it up. But the best part, the doors also are very important here because the previous one were very ugly. Is a floor, concrete floor. This is the best thing I have at my workshop. I can stand my lathe properly. I hope it's leveled properly too. I need to take this stuff from here because I have no place. I will set this later a bit. So as I said, my lathe is standing stable now, and I can work with every shaped piece, I suppose, and will not be so shaking. And this lathe will serve me much longer because the bed would too good to just squeezed or something like that, and then lathe would not be useful anymore. So this is my workshop after remodeling. Thank you for being with me by this month and watching my videos, old videos from January, February, when there was cold. Now you don't see my breath. So it's not visible now, so it's warm, pretty warm. Okay guys, what can I say? I have a challenge for you, small challenge for everybody. It's not only wood turning, it's not only woodworking. You can do anything what you want, but the main topic for my challenge is to make something for your workshop, for your work, to make your work easier. And I hope it will be very helpful for you if you will make anything. It can be just to remove a dust from the workbench, from the tools. It can be make a pencil holder. I need to make my pencil holder because I don't have, so I need to. You can make remodeling of the workshop as I did, but I'm not recommending this. After everything, before remodeling, it was funny, but during the work it wasn't funny. A lot of job had to be done. But I'm very proud from this. I decided to remodel the workshop. So it will be, as I said at the beginning, over a month ago, it will be for our pleasure, for yours pleasure. So I suppose you like it. I like it very much. I love it even, I could say. So guys, the challenge is to make something for your workshop, to make your work easier, much more pleasant, and you can do everything what you can imagine, everything, just everything, guys. It's it will be it will be a good step for you to maybe slowly start cleaning the workshop, because some workshop are very not organized, just I would say. But it's not important. Everything is important is in our work, what we are doing here, and with a passion we inserting in our hobbies and our work. So if you are interested, please join to this challenge and make whatever you want to make your job easier. For now, it's everything from me. Tomorrow, I suppose I will start turning something. So please expect a video very soon. I hope it will show in next week. Next week, if I will have a time to edit the video, because this is the toughest part. Edit the video, not turning. Turning is easy. Okay, that's all from my side. Please take care of yourself and your workshop and your friends and your families. So see you with next video.